What's up, everybody? I'm back again. It's Buddy from 2 Alpha Tools. Hope this video finds you well. I hope you guys are having a great day, because I'm having a great day. How much do you think I paid for all this stuff right here? Go ahead, take a guess. I'll give you some time. Ponder it around. But I will tell you, I got all of this for free. Wait, no, not all of this for free. Boop. I got all of this for free. Want to know how? Let me set you guys up and I'll explain. Okay, today I got you guys up on the tripod, different angle. Hope you guys like it. But back to the matter at hand. So how do we get all these for free? Well, Big Orange, that of course being Home Depot, they like to do their buy more, save more, where you know, you spend a couple bucks here and you save X amount of bucks there. And then Lowe's does similar things, you know, the buy one and then get one. But today we're going to be talking about Big Green. That, of course, being Menards. For that one Midwesterner viewer, thank you, by the way. Don't know what I'm talking about. This is what we call Big Green at Menards. And Menards has their own way of doing the buy more, save more, to where theirs is a rebate. Now, I know. Most people don't like dealing with rebates, but at Menards, they have done their mail-in rebates that they would give you with each receipt. And sometimes you could get 3 to 5 feet long receipt. So not saving on the paper there, Menards. But let's go ahead and talk about these tools and how much I paid at the counter. Starting off with these stackable bins. At the counter for these stackable bins, they were $3.98 for each bin. Then we got our Made in USA. I wouldn't lie to you. Made in USA Johnson plastic high-vis square. And this Raptor square was $4.47. Next, we got our Werner 6-inch putty knife. And this one rung up right at $3.98. And then these 10 compartment organizers. Got 2 each. One at $4.99. The other one, they said, here, just throw it in the bag. You already bought that one, so just take that one. i.e. for free. Now, each one of these Crescent Apex bit sets, they are $2.99 at the counter. $2.99. So first of all, we got the Apex E-Shock Guard. That's electricals. Shock Guard with the bit set. These little twisty ties, you can never have enough of them. They could come in handy. Oh, wire. And then this is a quick release bit holder with little 1-inch bits. this U-guard. That's what I have my eye on. Also magnetic. I believe all three. And then this one is your drywall anchor kit. Like I said, $2.99. Not a bad deal. Better when they say, here, just take this home and send something back. Now, get into explaining how that sort of works. So at the counter, see if we can get it in here. There you go. Yep. I paid $28.24 in total. Like I said a couple feet. It just goes and goes and goes. And that little machine was just... So how this works is at Menards, yes, you do pay the $28.24. But they will give you these rebate receipts. Each one for separate items, being the bits for one, and then we got our plastic knife and our Raptor square, their little organizers. That's what all these rebate receipts are for. Now, how do we know whenever it's going to happen? Well, Menards will actually send out weekly ads. And about right here, I'm going to throw in the ad and show you what I got in my email and I was so excited about. Okay, so you see those ads. You say, oh my God, I got to go to the old Menards and hear the jingle about 15 times in the, 3 minutes that I'm in there. I swear, you never get tired of the Home Depot jingle when you're in there at Home Depot. They play that jingle. But you go to Menards, I swear they play it twice as many times as Home Depot does or Lowe's. But when you go, as you're walking out the door, they'll have, your customer checkout, and they'll have these books of rebate forms. Okay? There's all these forms. They're all the same. You got these booklets. You can also get these online. So what we do is you go in, you make your purchases, and then you fill out your information in your booklet. Just first, last, mailing address, city, state, zip code, and email address. And then you take your rebate receipts and you stick those into an envelope. And then on the envelope, this is where you're going to mail it to. It's right on the front. You can also get these online. What I like to do is I like to send them a little letter, a little thank you note, for giving us our free items back. Now the unfortunate part. The unfortunate part, kind of, is that unlike other stores like the Lowe's and the Home Depot, you get your discount right there at the counter where they say, here, we're going to take this off of your purchase. At Menards, they will send you back, I don't have one around, a little cardstock. Just a little square, and it will have, we'll call it like the barcode and such, and it is your rebate form for ever how much you sent in and got back. As long as it was valid. Now, these offers, they are valid through a certain date. And then once that date ends, you have so many days to send off your receipts, your final mailing date will be on the rebate receipt. It does take like a month and a half for them to get it, them to process it, and then send it back to you. And the kicker is, when you get back your rebates, it is in-store credit, essentially. I know you can't just, go down to wherever you're getting your adult beverages, getting some lager bits, and the old Big Green's not going to pay for your fun night out. However, it does give you a reason to go back and enjoy all of this, buying whatever you want. When you get it back, the taxes are already paid for it, so you're good. So whatever is on there, that's how much you got that you've already paid taxes on, and it will tell you this is how much you can apply to your next purchase, in store only. Still, I believe it's worth the trip. What we're planning on doing is, I got a few things around the house that I actually needed this for. This putty knife. And then, as you know, I got my bit organizers. And I want to toss these on the rail. And then if I have any bits left over, that's what these guys are going to be for. So I want to say thank you, Menards. And I want to thank you for watching. If you have a Menards and you do make your purchases, go ahead and get your rebates, okay? It's your money. They're trying to give you the money back. Just go ahead and take it, or not. But that's it I got for you today. I hope you guys have a great day. And please like, subscribe, share. Bye for now.